quantity analysis. So it means that both IT and non-IT investments, both there are certain risks associated with that. So with that we can analyze the what are the risks associated and what are the changes we are doing, and then what are the benefits we are getting from that. And the calculation of the economic value of information. Value of information, as you know, are very important for the creating of data. We are trying to get the analysis of the information and do the certain things after that. And this is the comparison of all the four methodologies that where they are aligned. So from the four quadrant you can see there is one more rigorous, simple, more qualitative and more quantitative. As I told that value utilized here means it is somewhat moderate, rigorous and more quantitative. And one is after that I came to business value index. As I told that it is more qualitative and less somewhat more simple, somewhat more strong than the val IT. And this is total economic. It is some excellent according to me because it is lies in the center of this, and applied information is very quantitative and more rigorous, means it is more rigid. Yeah. Now we tell what X, anti and all these. I have taken this case study about the Google, how they have taken all those things, because when Google initially installed they were doing all messaging and all those things by they were doing in public and all messaging things. So they adopted the Google application for doing instant messaging, worksheet, spread documents and all those things. So for that they have taken the cloud computing. So after adopting that technology, they thought that what value we are getting from that, whether we are getting benefit or not. So they have taken the TI approach to measure the benefit of the IT investment. So after that, what TI have done, they have TI, as I told, like it consists of the four parameters: cost, benefit, flexibility, and the risk. So TEI team has they have interviewed many 600 employees and done some interviews with the IT industry, and after that they come to know that there are many positive benefits of that. See, after this is the ex post, means after problem they are getting some results, means what are the financial benefit of the company. This ROI is increased to 3 after 3 years. This got this data. 3, not 7% payback period is break-even point, that is 7 months, and there is total benefit that 13 lakh and total cost this and net present value of this. And what is the other benefit? There are IT impact benefit because Google is basically more involved in messaging and collaborative things. So there are two things in this. For the messaging, there are end user benefits and some more benefit. In end user benefit, what they got their reply back very fast, response time is very fast, and for the collaborative involved means they used to keep the work track very properly, means they can track the work is going on in a very good way and attractive way. This is assumption that what percentage have been increased in that, and what are the numbers of user for the Gmail. As you all aware of the Google applications, what they are doing, how many things they are used to innovate daily new things. So what are the things that 100% means 1800 user Google Talk have 92%, that much, and all those things, all the application what the Google application provides. These are some more. Yeah, there are certain Foster case studies they have taken for the certain clients, and according to that they have done. There was a company, UK Media Organization, they were suffering from big problem. So after adopting certain things, what they have done, they come to know that they have reduced the cost by the 40% and delivered the estimated cost 40% in rate of return in 5 years cycle, achieve faster time benefits. They were achieving the benefit at a very faster rate. And another client is that Australian insurance company. They also have taken the TEI, and they also have get big benefit from that benefit for over 50%. By over 50%, and reduce the cost of the IT investment by 33%, and they have even improved their ROI to 29% from the negative return on investment. So this is compared. So as I told that financial approaches are not well to measure the investment of IT, that how IT value is. We must have to select from all of those things to measure the investment of the IT, what are the values we are getting from the investment of the IT. And from the chart you are very clear that which methodology is what. So BVI is the simplest, TI is value is very flexible, value have to take government's approach as it is developed by ITGI, and AI offers greater rigor and quantity. And consistency, credibility and accountability are the key for all the approaches. These are my references.